everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a red lentil soup. Very easy, delicious and nutritious, and also healthy. It's very good soup and quick to make. I take here my pot and I add some olive oil. I like to use olive oil in all my cooking. I chopped some fresh green onions, or you can use any onions, white or yellow onions, whatever you have home. This is the fresh onions. One potatoes, I cut it into small cubes. I will saute all this first. Some carrots, saute everything with olive oil. Garlic, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. This recipe, to have some garlic on it, and everybody know the health benefits of it. Cover it for a few minutes until it start roasting and cooking. Change the vegetables and the onions start changing color a little bit. Before that, we add the red lentils. We wash them first, rinse them, then add them right there. Mix everything together. Then add the seasoning. It's very simple. Some salt to taste. Pepper, a little bit of black pepper, not too much. And the most important spice for this soup is cumin, fresh cumin or ground cumin. You have to add cumin to this recipe and give it a very nice taste. Mix everything together and add hot water, enough water to cook the lentils and these vegetables. It doesn't take that much time to cook. It's quick. Covered for a few minutes. And here I'm adding a little bit of turmeric. It's optional, but I like to add the turmeric. Have a lot of health benefits. Let's see here. And if you need any water, you can check and you add some water, but for me that was enough water to cook the lentils and the vegetables. You check the carrots. Usually the carrots take more time to cook than the rest of the ingredients, but right here everything looks good and well done. I will leave it uncovered and try to reduce the liquid a little bit before that I blend my soup. Right here, you see how is the color. It's the right texture for the soup. It looks good and it smells really good. It's very simple, but it's so tasty. You take the hand blender and you blend your soup, or you can use the regular blender, whatever you prefer. And that's my soup. It's ready. Doesn't make that much take that much time to cook or prepare. That's last minute soup. If you feel that is thick, you can add a little bit of water, and the soup is ready. I garnish it with a little bit of parsley, and bon appetit. Enjoy.